This is problem number 33 from the June 2014 Algebra Regents exam. In this question, we're being asked to write an equation that defines m of x as a trinomial where m of x equals this lovely mess. Essentially what we need to do is expand and turn this into a trinomial where we have an x squared term, an x term, and a constant, or ax squared, bx, and a c term. That's what our goal is, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. We've got 3x minus 1 times 3 minus x plus 4x squared plus 19. First thing we're going to want to do is use the FOIL method to get rid of all these brackets and multiply these things together. So 3x times 3 is 9x. 3x times minus x would become minus 3x squared. Negative 1 times 3 is, not positive. That would be minus 3. And then minus 1 minus x would become positive x. And then the rest of this will still be the same. Okay. Now we can start combining our like terms together. We've got a minus 3x squared and a plus 4x squared. Combined, and that would become just 1x squared, or x squared. We've got a 9x plus x, that would become 10x. And then minus 3 plus 19 is plus 16. So, we're all finished part 1 of this question. We've written the equation in the form of a trinomial. Now, for part 2, it says to solve for x when m of x equals 0. So that means we're going to set this whole thing equal to 0. X squared plus 10x plus 16 equals 0. And in order to solve this, we're going to have to do some factoring. So I'm going to set up my brackets here, put my x's in front. And so we're looking for two numbers that when multiplied give us 16, positive 16, and when added give us positive 10. So 4 and 4 wouldn't work, but 8 and 2 does. So x plus 8 and x plus 2. So if we set both of these equal to 0, we get that x equals negative 8 and x equals negative 2. And there we go. That's all we needed for this question. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.